In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Shopify's customer accounts and add that to your Framer e-commerce store powered by Frameship. So first things first, here we are inside of Shopify and we need to make sure that customer accounts are enabled. So I'm going to go down to settings here and we're going to actually search for customer accounts and we're going to open that here. And we just want to make sure that we have show sign-in links available. Now, the other thing we need is this URL here. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go back to my Framer project and we actually have a custom component here for customer accounts. So let's say I want to put this inside my navbar component. I can just drag and drop that here and then I can paste in this link. Now let's actually position this to be where I want it. And this is just a basic component inside of Framer, so you can style this however you want. But let's go ahead here and just republish our website. And now you notice we have this account button here. I can click on this and it'll just take me to my Shopify store where I can actually log in. Now, for future reference, we're working on some advanced customization for this, so all of this can belong in Framer. But for now, this is a really nice solution. And that's how you can add customer accounts to your Shopify store using Frameship.